severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Verden, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Verden, Pocasset, Lake Chickasha, and Laverty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Northwestern Grady County. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.